Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your this Poco smartphone C85. So let's start the video friends. So if you are having any connectivity issue or your Wi-Fi is not responding, you have to long press your Wi-Fi. Check the available networks, like this one is connected. So if it is connected and showing no internet, you can disconnect, forgot, and check the frequency level. And here are lots of things are here. You can check the speed also. So here it is 433 mbps speed, so you can check upon there also. And you can go to the settings first. Then friends, you have to write here reset in the search and click on search. So this is how you can see this reset option. Just tap on here, click on reset options, you will see reset Wi-Fi. Just you have to do is reset the Wi-Fi. It will never lose any of your data in your smartphone. It just reset your Wi-Fi. After that you have to restart your smartphone, and if you have not done any software update or system update, update all the application, system application, software update, and then it will work. Your Wi-Fi problem will be fixed. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching guys.